This my husband wey be say me I never bold as we dey call a rich tell am make him kneel down. That small refrat, that small chicken, he can't tell this my husband say make him kneel down. And this smart can't really kneel down for am. He shame me.
Me?
You can't close your eyes. You can't raise hand up.
Me? Me kneel down? Now that teacher kneel down for? Now that teacher say make I kneel down?
Who you can't kneel down for?
Me? You know that class? You know that the class? Now teacher say make I kneel down. Now the woman will make me kneel down.
Adult scholars. Adult scholars. Adult scholars. Because of misinformation, with it be blessing in disguise.
Polo. So Umi say that guy. Now say you break that guy out. Just like that.
Me to tell my where you say the story too long.
Hey.
He break the girl heart full time. He not consider herself half time.
Yo. This heart is break well. Hey.
It is something that is very serious. This heartbreaking. An appointation of misplacement of punctuation puncture of no return.
Wait, Polo. Now the girl where Guavon run leave. Now you for they break all these bottles, see they break our head, Jonah.
Okay.
Yes. Now the girl. There is no tete about it.
Oh.
I don't get headache.
Yes. You can love, but don't fall in love.
Otherwise, you fall into a pit and you find yourself in a total fiasco. La posa orara. Because you see that fan. Look at when you take it. Why you always do? You want to something. So you want to say it's not make sense.
Now you get me. Now you get me. Now you go tell me how I go tell you something.
Say make I tell you, not me get you. But I still know you. I still know you for this community. I still know you.
Where senior one for talk about what you dey talk so. If you come senior my head, if you come senior, now everybody wey senior person they know what person.
Lord, they use me, they play a game.
I know what see that.
I dey tell you, no, Lord, they use me, they play
that
a game.
one when you dey talk now you know. I just tell you. What do you know?
Come. Not the. I just tell you, say, Lord, they raise your hand for me again. Okay. See, what can I tell you? Lord, be say, I want ask you question, or Lord, be say, I don't believe. Come, you know the. See, you see those big grammar. We Polo, they always they give us. See, they're not correct.
Nah, you lie.
How?
You lie. Okay, how you not correct?
Okay, see we have cut. That place we for say laku. Sir, now latri ibu talk.
Now lie you talk.
How?
Now lie you talk. Another one.
How?
You say that latri when you talk so. I know him. Yes, I know him.
See.
Because you see that latri so Now latri I know that one.
I take it like.
Another one. Why you gonna tell me say like you say that like we just talk so? Now Yibo they talk that one. Now Yibo people.
Yeah.
Now abroad. That latri now where for I know that one. Me know that one.
Your problem is if they correct you, you know the tech.
Where do you know when you want to correct me?
Okay, see. Make I tell you. For this our community, I never hear that kind of grammar before for this community.
How you want to hear am? No, you tell now you still dey talk this one. How you want to hear am? You wey be say na only farm you for the enter, they comot. Not be farm you know. See, man tell you, man look your face way well.
Not to look me like this again.
I go look you.
Not to look me like
I go look you. Now you want to talk this one? You wey be say you don't know anything. See, man tell you, you see the grammar, when Polo they speak. Oh, you see the grammar when Polo they speak. Now you papa. I believe say papa fit work with Oyibo. Now you papa, now you forget all those English when they speak. Now white men English, now be all these ones. All the English when they speak, is correct. Okay, you don't know before. Okay, man, I tell you, see the one when he speak, when he come say, when you fall in love. Now your head enter. Now your head enter.
You didn't remember.
Yes, now we're not going to remember. When they come talk that one finish, he could say, La Popu Urara. That English, now you got to now you got to talk saying, now
go your ass.
Don't be afraid to say you want to keep here and wait for us to do
No,
not be you tell me just now say you cook yam for us.
No, make you go your own. Not your own.
Follow here. You get yam for us when you talk. See, your head.
Adult scholars. Adult scholars. Adult scholars. Adult scholars. Adult scholars. Because of misinformation, with it be blessed.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I did. Different.
Wow. Oh, please, I'm looking for the community hall, or maybe the chairman or secretary, just anybody that's a leader I can relate with, please.
It's Odiawele. Just you see that Joshua so, that Joshua, just go down there, go by your right. If you reach there, you see the Odiawele house there. And see the streets, this road, so just go there straight. You reach there, go like this.
Oh, thank you very much. And what is your name?
Ogasi Odion Wele has for you.
Oh, Odion Wewe. I said the chairman. Odion.
If it be blessing in disguise, Isa, oh yeah, oh yeah. 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 Adult scholars. Adult scholars.
Yes. Good afternoon, sir.
The afternoon is good.
Please, I'm looking for the committee chairman or secretary.
Chairman. No. We don't get chairman for this community. Now, John Were and secretary, now we get. And I me be the secretary.
Wow. I have a letter for you then. Yes. So you need to sign here. So you need to fill and sign this place that you received a letter from the postman.
Yes. Postman.
Yeah.
You for talk now. No worry. Yeah? Now me be bunker. Now me be secretary for this community. If anybody asks you, say, who collect this thing from you, tell them, say now bunker. When be secretary.
Monka.
Like bunker.
Oh.
Talk am.
Bonka.
Bunker. Now he collect am. Now me be the secretary, yeah?
It's okay.
I'll go give Odion Were na me a sign because youth know they sign for this our community. You hear me so?
It's okay. But please just ensure it gets to him, okay?
You hear what they talk? They speak English. They speak English. You don't know me. Now me. You won't be postman one falling hand. Me won't be bunker. Me won't be secretary. Okay, you want for my hand. You don't know me. Even when Polo not there with me. You can't say make I sign. You can't say make. I don't go off the talk. Why go off the talk? Polo not there. You can't say make I sign. How me want to even? Yes. How me want even to know what it is inside? How me want to know what it is inside? You want for my hand? You go feel happy. Me want be secretary. You can't. Oh, man, wrong. The letter. Postman.
Good. This is good letter. Good news. In this Kakamita time, this is a very, 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 very good letter with a good message for all of we.
Wow. Okay.
Good news.
Good news.
Isa, oh yeah, oh yeah. Isa, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Bunker, you dey fumble. Read this letter, come out for we to hear.
Government don't butter our bread though. government say they wan give each person 1 million naira.
Now this one they had you to read since.
Government, don't remember us.
But condition dey o. Condition.
For 1 million condition.
Wait first. But which kind condition will be pass 1 million?
Okay. Condition no dey where money dey.
So tell us.
Condition wey dey here be say, before they go give each people this 1 million naira, they go know how to read and they go learn how to write.
That one no be problem. You know how go school.
Wait. Why all of our faces look like person when lick line? I don't see anything when they wrong with school. If you go school, you will get the 1 million. Even if not be say I be a young way, I for like go 2 times, so maybe they give me 2 million. No.
This government when say one bring money, you know say we na elderly men say we don't old.
I don't know.
Carry condition for one.
Now destiny they call us, so they don't know. Now destiny.
Who is destiny?
Now destiny, they call us for this money matter. When government won't give us.
Yes. Yes. Tell us. My people, education is good. It's the key to prosperity. Good life. If you go school, you know book, you have everything.
Okay, meme. Make I go to school.
Hold on.
Make I not give me this. This money.
When you know book, you know everything.
Make I go.
Isa, oh yeah. Isa, oh yeah.
This one you made rich man. You reach my house and those 2 girls where they use me they play. That, especially that black one, I don't feel bust 500,000. The mind go day. Then the other one when they do anyhow, can I go? My mom no messed up. No kids are lele, na catch you lele. I kids are that catch you wa dada. You make a 100,000 riba nale. October to nege amadesha. Ek beki tamai ni. I don't tell me go for kero book me please. Book for me. Sorry, no. No, we all give me 1 million material. And what I use now? I'm brain. I use brain.
In our way. Abero, where is your father? Okay. Ome, go and wash plates. Okay. All the plates where they are dirty, you dey here the plate. Okay.
How about dinner? This one where they just now. I just one beg for you. Anytime you want beg, now you feel like this.
No, my husband, I no beg. My husband, any small thing if I just come meet you say na money I want to beg you.
You don't know that thing. Waiting.
Get provide we say 2 heads are 2 heads in better than one.
If they plan out together, well.
Okay. We'll go plan way. Okay, this school matter, to me, it go better. Make it be say no let you go. Because if they tell me say me we gotta go so. Did it get the way they do me for Bele? I know what I be. I no go feel no book. And I know they no book. I know brain where I carry con this life. Forget say when I did small pikin, my teacher die. No be that one make me no book o. I no go know am. Now I thought say make I suffer pet you, make you go. Go carry the 1 million come, make we suffer enjoy our money peacefully. Na so I see am on my husband.
God.
I will tell I say me I follow you talk.
Okay, wetin me don plan before with you for inside house. I just say you wan tell me now say you don ready to go. You just come now, you scatter everything. Say you no dey go school again. You no know say if that 2 million come now, if I go, you go now, they give me 1 million. They give you 1 million, 2 million. We don't reach with that now. You don't know.
My husband, that 2 million go too big for this our house. Wetin me see for inside? I no know wetin we wan do. Wey me and you go carry 2 million come enter this small house.
We look down for that room now, yeah?
I no dey for that one. Okay. My husband, wetin me wan tell you? You know say na you be the head wey get all me and my pikin.
Yes.
Na you get all this place. So wetin me wan tell you? Make you go. My own work wey God share for me. God say make I take born for you, take care of your pikin.
Yes.
Then anything wey you bring, I go dey manage am. We go dey happy, dey grow.
You no go work, I know.
Na wetin God send me. The one wey God send you now, make you go carry money come.
That is mocking the work, Bible the chop.
No, na your work.
And that's how it's supposed to be now, Abi. So you don't reach where to go school now. Maybe me and you get something. Now I can't be the head. You can't be the tail now, Abi. So these 2 heads are better than one when you talk since. If husband and wife no plan, how did you want to move forward? We want to let me get my beer. I join the school now. You go there, rego, me that rego. Only room no go born there. The
money no go fit enter. People never tell you what to be 2 million. Money no go contain here. My husband, you wait. Make I tell you. What me want try tell you now be say, make you go. I go think about time. This school where you talk so. And the problem when me go get for front, if husband don't get money, it dey hard to advise. I no go dey see you for house. You go come dey follow all these small girls. They waka up and down. They waka kurukere. They go. As you never get money now, me and you dey. I share with the happy.
You know, say I know the lot of.
Just go bring Ole that 1 million. So that we go enjoy. You know like better thing. You know like better thing. My husband.
So they happy now, me I go bring 1 million come. No problem.
Carry and come.
Yeah, you carry. You dey go out, abi you dey go inside?
I know they go anywhere. But that school where you dey force me, so I go think am. But that money too big for me.
What do they talk?
I'm begging.
What do they talk?
You never see anything.
Come.
You never see anything at all.
Come on. This woman. Okay. You want to follow me the whole ground?
This one not be following you whole grand matter. This one na go to school matter. This one na 1 million naira matter. Which kind to be that? As you dey take me your own, me dey take my own. You go that school, me go still go that school.
Oku won't do one enemy that. My work, I say, now me marry you. Not be you marry me. You go stay house, take care of my pikin. I go that school, come back. I go collect the 1 million naira. Then I go use and take care of you. You dey hear me so?
Etanemo. They tie your hand. You know if you take care of house. They tie your leg. You know if you take care of pikin. Abi, not be me and you born the pikin. See, whether you like her or not, you know if you deceive me for this one. E no go work other way now. You no go fit deceive me for this one. That school you go collect your 1 million. You see that school, I go collect my own 1 million. No be your pocket.
Make I tell you, no be my house. You go your papa house, go the school.
Okay, if I go my papa house, you go your papa house. If I go my papa house, you go your papa house.
Me I don't talk my own finish.
Which kind nonsense be this?
You go your papa house before you go that school. No be my house. Go come, you meet me here.
Isa, oh yeah, oh yeah. Isa, oh yeah, oh yeah.
But then another mama me, where me good thing, you don't tell me. If you see good thing, you never share am with me one day. Now only yourself you just know. Another person will not concern you. You be bad man.
Which be good thing message the same make I tell you?
The 1 million matter when they fly for the whole town. You not hear am? You tell me. But when I see God that day, I do the small business. Here, I sell them. I buy you shirt, I buy my own. But if you reach your tongue, you go do your belly. Is that not wickedness? Eh?
What a matter of 1 million are you? They send me 1 million message, make I come tell you for my house. Huh? Now my house, you went from God school? School where you not go for your papa house, your mama house. Now because of school I marry you, you went from my house, they go school. What a hula baloo?
Hey, now I know the kind of man where you be. No say I say you be devil. As you black, so now so your mind black. So I tell your house, make a routine for your house, make a turn to mumu. So this good news when they fly for everywhere, when everybody they struggle, everybody they run, everybody they plan. You know what put me inside? 1 million here I come. You know what they want? 1 million. Now you won't deprive me. You lie. See, I don't get this score already. Bulldogs are not fit stop me. How much more you? I don't see the kind of person you be. You are so self-centered.
Me?
Yes.
For her center? You see me for her center?
You see the wahala already. Now this one make I say make you go school. You too mumu. I said self-centered. I didn't say health center. Now you can't know whether you sick. You won't go health center. You hear? Not be me.
If you try this school when you dey talk, aleleburu abakayapakon. Isabe, you go your mama house, your papa house. Now you dey see so. From my house.
As I stand for here, so we don't divorce. Me and you will not be husband and wife. Anything wey go make me not go school, I follow one day. You know dey my agenda. Because even bulldozer no go fit stop me. How much more you? Since you the school when I not fair go for my papa house, I won't go for my husband house. Even where 1 million come dey involved, you say you won't deprive me of this enjoyment, of this joy. I'm not married again.
Any small matter, there is a provocation everywhere.
Why I know provocation?
Take it easy. You know what? This school, no be only me go. I go carry 1 million. You self go carry 1 million. 1 billion no be money when they put for pocket. Or you put for you carry busway, I carry base that they go carry. Now big money. Take it easy.
Now we borrow take carry my own. We borrow. I go borrow good borrow. I go borrow when I will take carry my own.
My own.
What you want to carry your own?
You know Aqua.
Aqua na red bioho.
That Okwa when I take the carry papa, carry cassava come from farm.
You go reach to take carry your 1 million.
3.
How you carry? I will go tell this woman make he reserve we borrow for me. When I take carry my own.
Enter house, enter house, enter house. 1 million? What a hula baloo in my domain.
My wife, you see, the thing way Ojo will talk. He say go 2 times. Make me and you. Make we go now.
My husband. Not be say that talk when you talk, he bad oh. He not bad oh, but for me, I not like him.
You know, why you go talk like that now? Eh?
You say make me go school. If I go to school, who go take care of our pikin? Who go dey go farm? Who go dey sell the things when they come from the farm? Now the reason why I talk so now be that.
You not talk like Bobo. Me will be Sata
Samara.
Hey, I want Tete Pro.
Bro, not something for class.
You see the way you did, tata.
No, cost me.
You go there, you go tata and finish. Go there, go as in tata.
I no understand. People marry wife, now marry man. Man, I just take off for your papa's. I take care of you. I go fit take care of the children. I go fit go farm. Make you dey go. Nah, mess away. Husband say wife, nah, they go. I don't talk my own finish you.
And me too, I dey tell you my own. You like him, you not like him. You must go that school.
Hey,
you must go.
You know say nah, you
Intelligent.
Pass me now.
Na because na me get sense pass you. That's why I be like that.
Now me my mama say make I mama marry you. but you go to school.
So, now you go. You like him, you not like him.
Now let me marry you. I don't knock on the house if you don't go.
You go. You like him or not, you go.
Isa, oh yeah. Isa, oh yeah.
O.ADABHIE.
Ofufu. Afureo. No. Me answer dey come so.
What be the problem?
Thank you. No, so. 1 million won't come out from my house. So.
1 million won't come out for your house. Okay, you mean the government goodies?
Nah.
What can happen?
No. No be my wife.
What your wife do?
You know say me nah. Sir.
Okay, you be stammerer. I understand. So your wife supposed go school so that the 1 million will come your house.
That's all now.
What you call it happen?
You said no. No go.
Your wife say she no want go school. Now so 1 million will just go.
I don't tire for that woman. Oh. Now say me call tell you.
I don't want to make you miss that 1 million. Okay, you know what you tell her make consent.
Okay.
Tell her make consent.
Okay.
So look at the gun.
Ta. Thank you. Hey, Toto, wale.
Because of misinformation, where it be blessing in disguise. Isa, oh yeah.
This is the problem with this child. Anytime you send her a message, she'll start playing on the way.
Isa, oh yeah. Adult scholars.
Why are you malfunctioning?
Yes, this is Viagra. And the bend me, and the bend me, and the bend me, and the bend me, and the. Oh man, just guess. If you feel guess time, I go bless you.
What have you in your hands that you want me to? You say I should guess?
Guessed it.
I know everything about you is guess. I know it's about 2 or 3 are walking behind you. When I was much younger, I have interest in these things. Not now.
Say you, Polo. You don't catch me again, Polo. You don't catch me. Say you. Don't catch me again. Hey, no man. See, You see this thing? Well, it's with me, guy.
So you just win raffle now. It's a raffle draw for you for this thing.
It work, oh.
Thank you. For me, I can say I'm on leave. I don't need to tell you everything in words. I will sing for you. Why you will know that this thing will not be on my side for now. I'm a bachelor. I'm a bachelor, my baby travel. I'm a bachelor, I'm a bachelor, my baby travel. I'm a bachelor, hallelujah. I'm a bachelor, my baby travel. Don't you see that?
Polo, you say you no go take from this thing.
No.
You dey walk.
It's a oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, it's a oh yeah, oh yeah. Education is very important.
I'm here now. After speaking, 1 million.
The community to read them almost become impossibility. But because they always blow fake grammar, now him then give them the letter, make he read it. He read them all. Come at the Maggie, add the salt, that's all trouble start the going to school in adulthood, misbehaving in school like children do. Oh yeah, kneel down, hands up, close your eyes. According to this small teacher, sit down, see wahala, let it balance. Because of misinformation,
We don't come. What's this school?
Another one. This one no go work.
Wait,
I know.
1 million.
I know sabi government.
1 million that time and 1 million. Where yeah? 1 million.
No. Government wahala no sabi.
Bye. I don't see the phone. The go. Obodege no. Some that we can walk.
Let's go.
Yes? We are going to 1 million. You don't want 1 million again?
Oh yeah, kneel down, hands up, close your eyes. According to this small teacher, see trouble, let people holla. Because of misinformation, if it be blessing in disguise.
Okay, go. 1 million. 1 million.
Let's go.
Going to school in adulthood, misbehaving in school like children do. Oh yeah, kneel down.
Oga, you don't dey show your character now again. You never start school now. I bet more they go jog before you.
I no go. Kaka.
Is very important.
You no go let me correct now.
Come. Everything come.
No.
Okay, go. I beg you.
Leave me now.
How they push me safe now?
This school fine, oh. You see that certificate have been a book. I must collect them, and that 1 million I will collect.
I don't understand. If you can't collect, what you want to collect?
I will still collect my own.
Let's go. Yeah.
According to this small teacher, see wahala, let it balance. Because of misinformation, if it be blessing in disguise. According to Polo, government they encourage adults will participate to get 1 million naira. him wahala start you. Everybody want participate. See confusion, commotion everywhere. Husband say na him go do, wife say na she go do more because of 1 million naira. Going to school in adulthood, misbehaving in school like children do. Oh yeah, kneel down, have some, close your eyes.
Bros, this money they want to bring, is it how many days now shall they bring it?
6 months.
6 months. It's good.
Come here.
What did I do?
School go you the enter. Yeah? You don't they talking. School you the enter. You don't let it get man. They touch man for you.
Which man I get?
You don't forget the girls man.
Sure you see say I touch man.
You know what see? School we don't dey go again.
See, no be ask me, they will. No, let me go school for you.
What is going on here?
As you see me, number one be this. Today when my wife start school, she want to use Oga now.
You should already that. Is it not a personal? It's not anything.
But there's a cool man. But there's a cool man.
You are here to learn and to make friends, okay? What you're saying, I don't think that's what she wants to do. So go inside and learn.
Auntie,
go inside the class. And you go inside and learn. Go to your classroom and learn right now. I said move it.
Come add the Maggie, add the salt, a small trouble start you. Going to school in adulthood, misbehaving in school like children do. Oh yeah, kneel down, hands up, close your eyes, according to the small teacher. See wahala, let it
Now my life will enter.
Simba, tell you.
My life will enter.
As you don't enter this school now, you know my friend again. You know my friend again for this school. Get out! Get out! Get out!
You don't forget saying Nami be community secretary.
So what?
You get what you want.
See for today, oh what? Me and you, enemy. You go your way, come my way.
See person, let you talk.
Get out!
Get out! Get out!
Back to center.
Get out! See person, back. Because I first you just reach school now, you want cry. You want
Short.
No.
Not to be again.
Get out! You be person.
Back to center. Short.
See person.
Back.
I'll come chop him. I'll come chop him. You don't do what you want to do.
misbehaving in school like children do. Oh yeah, kneel down, hands up, close your eyes, according to the small teacher.
Lick it, jump on you. Up on you. Shit. Get.
Abi make I go join them for school? If I join them, teacher come ask me question. I no get am. That will not be disgrace. I'll tell her no. Disgrace. If I not join them, they can't know book pass me. They can't sabi pass me. Every year go hear am as the news go take spread. Now be say e go come become history. They go dey talk am, take am a parable everywhere. God forbid I reject am.
say you buzz what today.
Keep quiet. Who they call vulture? I be this one where they told you want me to spit on for you. Are you dey mad?
Not be your name be vulture. I be you don't change your name. Why you dey shout for me now? Why you dey insult me?
You come from crass. You come close to this place. You dey call me vulture. I be your man. My name is Venture. I dey tell now.
Say this one swore. When I was swore, who care me? Me where do I go?
You be goat.
They do primary one.
Rope.
Don't buy the primary one. They buy should have.
Oh, they do primary two. You are a fool. Goat. That verse be like rope. Skipping rope. Animal.
Can I come and join you? No, follow me. Porter International. High five.
Oh, my name not be vulture.
High
My name
five.
not be vulture. My name is Venture. Eh?
Venture and vulture.
Una go just come off for crash, come close to this place where for the pray. Now one come they call me.
Now vulture, now you sweep past venture. Think am. If you know the meaning of venture, you no go gree make them call you. You know say you dey do retreat. You don't even fair any air school before. At least me, I don't still fair go home lecture.
Vulture good pass.
You be arm robber. No, tell me now, make I dey call you venture. You be arm robber.
Okay, I'm robber.
So you are a scam.
I'm robber.
So they answer vulture. E good make you be vulture than you want to be arm robber. I don't understand.
Thank
I
you.
just
Thank
I
you.
like this place. Shift go that time, yeah.
No, you come close to that place.
Take. I have to. Maybe you do the game.
I don't agree with you.
Eh?
Because you come and vibe the arena.
Whoever, me and you who get everything exposed when you fever. You might got your own baby for under your leg. With me, I won't go to come for you. Come over.
If you come close to this place, you go vibe there.
Give me the con. Give me! Nothing go dey do now, good now, go dey do anyhow.
Oh, when I go ever come close to that place, man, he keep vanning me there. No, move better.
Vulture. Vulture!
Ma?
Be careful. Be careful. Wetin I talk? Na here I go dey o. Okay.
All I know, if you do Dangolova for here, you come close to that. Okay, you come close to that place. You from there crime. If you crime, you come both the arena. Climb up. Easy. That place they fuck me.
I better mind your business.
That place they fuck me. Yeah, stay here. Hey, I just remember say your husband feel the rook us for
you no fit talk to me without you dey touch my hand.
Sorry.
You know say na dem dey forbid am.
So let's go Fiana. You close your eyes. Eh?
You go close your eyes.
Close it very well. Then if I
Wait,
can't.
na me go do the motor boom boom.
Yeah.
On your mouth.
Close.
Get
Close
ready.
it. Close it.
Boom
boom boom boom boom.
Isa, oh yeah, oh yeah. Isa, oh yeah, oh yeah.
Fan just dey hungry me. You don't tell where I go close to that place.
This good for why they choke that thing for me?
You know say if not be 1 million, even if my vegetable everything is spoiled for farm, that 1 million. Not come close to me. This guy.
Good morning, sir. We are happy to see you. God bless you. Amen.
More.
Amen.
God bless you. And how are you doing?
God bless you. The party chose down.
Polo. This trouser, it reach 10 people just so. I think I did cut.
My uniform is manual. Unlike yours, which is automatic.
Polo, but this which tailor sew this your trouser? Because you can't make be like say you dey do it's your wedding day.
Oh, let me come in here. That is the difference. Yours was done by a tailor, mine was done by a fashion designer. That is why mine is manual.
Oga Polo, make I not lie for you.
I never hear that.
You be like a parachute. Then in your own come be like pharaoh garment. I be garment pharaoh.
Now they laugh.
Yes.
This is when they laugh. See.
Please go close to that side.
No. Man, I tell you, I like my own pass. This one will be like parachute. I like no garment pass. Parachute.
Yes, if you not stay where I parachute you.
Your English be too high.
Now pronounce everything together. A for apple.
A for apple.
Yes, so.
See, class don't speak now. The teacher speak English, we speak English. You, Afana. Who can I be? Good job, please.
Silence. This is a classroom. This is not your town hall where you hold your meetings. I will not take this from any of you.
Please, I know the right time. I know the right time at all. Now let me talk noise for this class. When I enter this class, people not they talk noise. Come they point out for my praise. They tell me say, now need to talk noise.
Teacher, no, don't worry. I will control them.
As what?
As a scholar per se, where I mean.
Scholar indeed. Now, pay attention to what I'm writing on.
Adult scholars. Because of misinformation, where it be blessing in disguise. It's a oh yeah, oh yeah. 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 Adult scholars. Adult scholars. Adult scholars.
To go school for old age, it is hard, sha. If to say, say I no want to learn book. Oh, I for don me go school.
Bonka. See that teacher, Clara. She too fine. I too like her.
I know.
If I grow up, I like be like teacher Clara.
I know.
Good talk. For which is? No, wait. For which is? Sir Clara, where any small thing, it got the control as he say, now he see no us for this school. I don't want to shame. Any small thing, you go say, sit down, stand up, and do this, and do that. For which day, for this common school, small school all day. I bet come on.
No, talk for short. Anything to me, talk.
Jedis, with your look where you wear, school not be by force. If you not fit stay for your house.
Abi?
Good. Okay. Now I know say I no go fit speak English way straight. Make I do am the way she did do am.
Yeah.
This place now where then they learn. And if you don't make up your mind and that decision, that your mind where you make up, you will always make sure say anything where I talk. And I repeat, anything where I talk, you go do it.
Hey, you finish work.
You do it.
You finish
You
work.
do it.
Hey, you finish work.
Close your mouth. Make her hear word. If that teacher Clara, now my wife, I for don't send her go in Papa house. Period.
Driver. To drive woman, I be everything about you. To drive woman go in Papa house. That be the solution to a problem.
Oh, help me ask Sam.
Okay, so they will talk to you. Who talk to this one? Now how often they look me? Take time, If you try this thing nonsense again, I go come out your teeth.
Beat me!
I go beat you as I beat my wife.
Beat me!
Same as I beat my wife every day. They boss her. If you try her, now I go take beat you.
Bastard! Bastard!
Come. You. The day we go try this thing, I go beat you as I beat my wife.
Your wife don't come. Oh, yeah,
my wife.
You dey move yourself.
See you people. This is a 50 problem between me and my wife.
And for you, I dey warn you. See, anytime we dey talk like this, they respect me at the table. At the table, they respect me. You know, the person go to talk. Get out. Get out! Shut. I hate you for today. I will always hate you.
So they come beg me.
I cancel.
Beg me for you.
I cancel. Get out! Get out!
Polo. You don't get where this thing they bother me for mind. Since I say I go ask you. But anytime where I won't ask you, what's not this? You know this school wahala now, so
go on, my dear. Ask me the question. Wetin e be? No waste time. Wetin be the question?
As you say, make I ask, I go ask. Polo, you know say as this place big reach, this community, now you be the person wey will know say e no book. Wetin you come dey follow olodo like us dey do for class? Polo sticker the polo wey be the your second name na book now.
You cannot understand. You say who go school na him know pass. Na him get sense pass. You see, to learn something, e no get ending. Till person die, we continue to learn. Na so school still be. How you see am?
Polo! Oya, chop noko. Chop noko.
Come help me noko.
A for apple.
A for apple.
What is apple? Apple. It's apple.
Apple.
Pole.
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 Apple.
Apple.
B for bucket.
On the teacher na. Ojabe onoro ya kwekwe. Boni A for apple da. Bonere temo 1 million here.
Because another is machine food. Oh, you not go achieve, not go agbon. What about money? What about about 1 million? Where kai?
Odabi money missing you well. Ah, me amiga sabochi apple. Abia sabochi apple. Only 1 million look at that berry. I saw it no?
Isa, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, oh yeah. Education is very important because illiteracy fit over you.
Who can make a sentence with a father? You.
My father is rich.
That's nice. And you? Yes. Make a sentence with a yam.
Enya. Akbu nya. I like akbu nya. What's my name? Auntie, if I lie, ask my husband. Daddy. Tawana.
But that's the cool mama. Strong akbu. What I know go dey.
Stop that. What kind of a sentence is that? Make a sentence with a yam. You're saying, I like yam. Apu. And you, I don't know. Is that what I'm teaching you? Sit down. Don't spoil my mood this afternoon. And you, make a sentence with poor.
You are poor.
Stop that! What is that? Make a sentence with poor and you're pointing at me saying I'm poor. I said make a sentence with the word poor.
You are poor.
Do you want me to punish all of you? Make a sentence with poor, you're saying you are poor. Make a sentence, that sentence, make it well.
You tell this one, father. You tell this one, yam. Why you can say me, poor? You are poor. You know poor?
Yeah. You should correct us.
Sit down. I've been teaching you for the past 5 months and you don't even know what you're doing. You shut up. Anyways, I won't let you people ruin my day because today is bright. This day is bright. I have a song that I want us to sing. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day is a day of joy. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day of joy. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day is a day of joy. The day is bright and fair. Oh, happy day of joy. Venture. What is going on?
I go forest, go to that place. So I can't climb up, procure plenty mango.
Mango?
I know you will like it.
Wow, this is lovely. How do you know I love mango?
He love mango. He love mango. Girl, I love mango. Ah, yeah.
See, I dey warn you. No, they tell me about food for my ass again. Because now school that dinner. Now school day.
What did you talk about?
I dey warn you.
No, but you first tell me say if we chop from my house yesterday, say today if we close, we go chop for your house.
Where I take that one?
You talking?
Where I take that one?
Now let my house you want for chop.
Me talk like that.
You talking?
Ha! I know the see. I know the
you talking? Get this.
See, not use me the play.
You talking about?
Lord, they use me the play again.
Calm.
I know what they tell you.
Go your house, go chop.
Hey, you know fit.
Go your house, go
See,
chop.
I dey warn you.
No lie.
I dey warn you.
I'll go chop for your
Now
house.
me see know you for this school. For real life, now me see know you for this school. Now me.
See, teacher Clara, they come. I'll follow you, go chop for your house.
No, check.
I'll follow you. Good morning.
You see yourself.
Why ain't go just dey do like this? Say me want me everybody just dey greet and say I see you everybody.
Love you the greeter. Love you the greeter. The way they vex me, I go do that. Say nice see none of us to school. I will beat her one day.
What you go?
I go, Sister Clara.
You want beat
I
teacher Clara?
go beat her for this school.
You want beat teacher Clara?
You dey me the play.
You want beat teacher
You
Clara?
dey me the play. I go beat her for this school.
Let person hear you.
See, anybody wey go do that thing. See, I must beat teacher.
No talk am. No do.
Who dey smell? Imagine.
So una two just dey here dey talk say una wan beat teacher Clara.
Na talk am.
Eh?
Na talk am.
Ah, they talk.
I no blame una like this so una two be olodo dey go tell teacher Clara.
No, wait now. What they do like this?
Why you dey beg am? You dey beg am?
Oya.
Make them to go need that. Waiting.
Oya now.
Oya, waiting.
Oya.
What is this?
500 naira, 500 naira.
Eh?
Okay now. I go tell teacher Clara say una say she get big head, she get K-leg, say she dey piss for house. Yes, say her head big like coconut wey no get water. I dey go tell her. I dey go tell her.
Don't it?
Oya, give me the money. Give me the money. I dey go.
Hey.
Now you talk am.
Don't you cut this one. Don't you cut am. Wait now, you cut this.
Hey. Mona, give me the money. Make I know that I will go tell teacher Clara. Or I will go mama with your house, go chop mwe.
As I dey do now. Take your far.
Oya.
Huh? You no give you change.
I want take me change.
You give me my change.
I'll give you. Give me.
Give me change.
I go mama with your house, I wan go chop rice and mwe.
You see what you do? You see what you do? You go give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. You go give me my money. That is you. Give me my money. That is stop your name. Now you say you give me my money. I'm not gonna give you my money. No be this. You know this school me. I'm gonna say you won't beat.
What's the dollar man? Ish and not to man. This a bunyan of man. Just the best smash. Food one not put for ground since. Wash your hands. You wash your hands. Your mouth talk with your full on.
Which kind food be this one when you carry come? Upon the 5,000 when I give you to go market. See me to be like na crayfish be this abi na ugbore.
Now this one they call ugbore.
See small fufu.
Ikpekman. Now only you I see for this community, this Ebuwale community, where no still no say things don't dey expensive. 5,000 when you give me, now you dey shout, now you dey mention Sansi, they mention Goliath. Why can't they take 5,000 they buy again for market? Eh? You know say you don't want me say make another quick man for you because now your name. But now the thing when the money reach me take cook. Ikpekman, Baba wali Ikpekman.
You see yourself? This is why I always told you. I don't tell you. I don't told you. You know they hear. And you don't know anything. You go see that school, then they teach you. See 5,000 when I give you now to go market, make food. See you. Eh? You go to school, they're going to teach you how to manage money, how you can reach market, buy something, check go see rebel, with some accurate to use your wisdom. Take do maneuver in multiple calculation to know how you go buy something, change go still remain for you, see you na 5,000, you don't go. Then go to teach for class, you go to sleep. See you now.
Even though, now let me want to sleep for class. Even that your friend when he belly full rich chest when they call vulture, you know they sleep for class. Osama wife, you know they sleep for class. All of them know they sleep for class. You know they see all of them when they sleep for class. They be nah me be your wife. Now let my own you know. Now let me fear they let you talk to. If you reach school now you go be like deaf and dumb. You know they talk. Wash your hand, make you chop this thing.
You see yourself. You know they measure your club member, sleeping association. Now you call the measure now. Wash hand, make you eat your food.
See, the kind way you get one way you don't understand though. You know say something now they call something. The way I can't take they sleep for school now, it be like say I know they no book pass me. You know say na when brain don gigi small sleep we don't come like that. Wow.
You no book pass me. You this population fellow. Eat food.
Which kind of English be that one again?
Say you want the notebook pass me. You don't know what is population.
Population. You go chop the food that you know go chop.
I go chop this food. I go still speak English.
I think they give you water till they wash hand. Oh woman.
You eat food. Now here you want from start. Eat food you dey push meat. You wear so? Put. Okay. Eat the fufu. As you eat this meat finish, eat this fufu, eat this sema. As I go inside, come back, eat this sema. You come inside, as I go inside, you come eat this eba.
Omo, the way when things can't take the cost these days, the thing they confuse me. Price just they go up like river when open mouth. Wow.
Now that one you even see. Price they go up, now you see.
My brother.
If you say as price they go up, now so now we they see the something buy from market. Should be for good.
It's for good though.
See, you know say yesterday, me and my family na empty soup. Now we eat oh. Why? You know see me to buy from market.
Now small remain yesterday evening. I for come out my wife teeth, all the teeth for him mouth.
Why now? Why?
If you see this small thing when you go put for plate, it be whether na fly, I be na crayfish, I don't know. He say na meat. You can't put a small fufu for plate. I go drive that my wife.
Yeah man. Everything drive. You be driver?
Answer.
Instead where we go talk how this matter go take solve. Everything drive. How drive with this talk where we dey talk for here? How they take resemble?
My oga, you want even too much. See, make we dey calm pressure down. Because the way things be now we be the problem. Why we leave farm work, go school? Okay, who go come dey farm for us now?
Nobody.
Okay, to hunt, now who go come dey hunt for us?
Nobody.
You don't clear now, say now will be our problem, not be our win. Abi? You never clear?
It clear.
Okay.
Now they talk. Now they talk. Now this one I want make they talk. No be everything drive.
Yes, oh yeah. Yes, oh yeah. Education is very important because illiteracy fit cover you. Now so government letter arrive the community. To read them almost become impossibility. But because Polo, they always blow fake grammar. Now him then give them the letter, make it read. He read them all. Come at the Maggie. the salt, pepper, that's all troubles that you are. Going to school in adulthood, misbehaving in school like children do.
Henceforth, there will be consequences for noisemakers. You, stand up. You are hereby appointed as the class monitor.
Teacher, shall you say henceforth? No cockfight. I just say you say now be the consequence for this class. Other no more go, no mommy. You go come and do monitor for class? No.
Okay, you people are disrespecting me, right? Okay, continue. You're here because of the 1 million. Anybody that disrespects me will not get that 1 million.
Sorry, ma'am. Everybody took note. From today, I am on duty. If you make a noise, you face conscience.
And my word is final.
Yes, sir. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
You know, reading is patience. If you want to learn, you have to put in your best, all your efforts to acquire what you are looking for. Do you understand? Please.
Yes. Actually, waiting with teacher talk. We say to sabi book, to learn book, na by patience, by small, kule. No be baba, no be nyaga, no be by force. If you make baba, the coconut for your head will not allow percolation.
Hey, Mr. Man, where do you think you're going?
Praise ma. My name is Venture, not be Mr. Man. Please, I want to go out.
Excuse me, speak English.
Please, Forest.
What the wood you
Now listen to me, everyone. This rubbish has to stop. You all must learn how to speak good English by fire, by force. Do you hear me?
Nothing gonna stop my love for you. I want to use it. I love you, and I see the want to tell you that I say I love you. See, I love you way. Let me tell you, you be the of my heart.
Me too. I know. Say me, I like you well too now.
Hey, nobody they look us for here. You know I love you. I want you to born plenty picking. You can born 100. You can born 200. Let me surprise you.
I make I close my eyes.
Close your eyes.
For example, if I collect this her note and give it to him, if I want to tell him to give her back her book, I will say, give her her book. So I'm going to ask a question now. Hello?
If you want to say give John back his book, how will you say it? Yes.
Give John book.
Okay. Madam, if I want to say give them their books, how will you say it?
Very simple. It's not too hard. I will say give them book.
And if I want to say give us our book, how will you say it?
Give us our book!
Come on. It's wrong. Yes. If I say give her her book, it doesn't mean if you want to give John his book, you will say give John book. You will say give him his book. Yes.
Now John get the book.
If I am saying, or if you want to say give them their books, because it's them, you won't say give them book. You will say give them their books. Hold on. And if you want to say give us our books, you will say give us our books, not give us books. It's wrong. Okay? Okay, what I'm going to do right now, pick up a sheet of paper, write a letter to your Ojonwele. Tell him everything you have been learning here. You have 15 minutes to do that. Does this look like a letter?
So, you from class, they draw that thing.
Yeah, go out. Go and stand up. What is this?
That is Ojonwele, and that is this one and me, and they just talk Ojonwele. And they don't worry what you say, make a talk.
Go out.
I just want to say, make me talk Ojonwele. Wow.
Let me see what's the right.
Husband and wife, now do
Is this one a letter?
Hey.
Not Ojonwele, not Ojonwele now.
Who know the right again? Don't borrow me by my own whiskey. That's all right letter.
What is this?
Mrs. Clara Uaburifu, God bless you.
You are just big for nothing. You cannot write. Which one is Miss Clara? You're beautiful. Now go out. Go out there. You're just big for nothing. Out! Go out! Out! What is the meaning of all this? Is this what I've been teaching you? Eh? Now, you kneel down. Eh?
Who, me?
You kneel down.
Me?
Yes, you.
Abomination.
I'm not going to kneel down.
Man, your
Now,
mother
abomination for my community. I go there here, my husband go kneel down.
So you're disobeying me?
Mona kneel down now, so that you go still check our own. Check our own again.
Me, when you get wife, woman go come carry me kneel down for school. What do I do? Love you, so make we draw.
Is that what I asked you to draw? Kneel down now before you get me pissed off.
How my husband cannot kneel down? My husband not go fit kneel down.
Man, your mother
Now, abomination for my community. I go there here, my husband go kneel down.
So you're disobeying me?
It's the law of the community.
If I come reach village now, they will say how they kneel down for school.
They will say make you go bring goats. But we say money take back goats, 16,000.
Are you disobeying me?
We can't go out of school, sef. That's why I say I know my call this school today, sef. How you go dey tell person papa, mama, may die for grad? Wait. Okay, see the other man now. Wait, that is
See, one thing, don't talk to my husband like that. You know not the reason why my husband not dey come school again. My husband dey has the treat infection.
Boka! More class.
As you're leaving, don't come back there again. Don't come back again. That 1 million naira, you will not get it. Now go.
We don't go cause. Go hang around. That 1 million will come take this one. More class.
And you're disobeying me. I said kneel down.
My husband. Kneel
down.
You tell him again, make him kneel down.
I bet Mona kneel down, make the teachers now. We will never commit.
Raise your hand up. Raise your hands up. Both hands. Close your eyes.
Going to school in adulthood, misbehaving in school like children do. Oh yeah, kneel down, hands up, close your eyes, according to the small teacher. Oh, this drama, oh, see wahala, oh, plenty palaver.
Because of misinformation, if it be blessing in disguise.
According to Polo, government they encourage adult education. Adults will participate.
See, as I did here, so I did vessel. I did verse. Now let me do that praise. People not printing for that class. Now let me do that class where be say she can't talk to me anyhow. Una go talk to her. One day now here say I keep person mama or person wife.
You know the one when they pay me for body. Hey, this my husband when be say me I never bold as we dey quarrel reach tell am make him kneel down. That small refrat, that small chicken, he can't tell this my husband say make him kneel down, and this small can't really kneel down for him. He shame me.
Me? You can't close your eyes. You can't raise hand up.
Me kneel down. Now that teacher kneel down for. Now that teacher say make I kneel down.
Who you can't kneel down for?
Me. You know the class. You know the class.
Wait, who you
now teacher say make I kneel down. Now the 1 million make me kneel down. Me go call it down for that for that teacher. In the case, who born her?
The TV don't shock me, oh.
You get sense.
You know see that small teacher. You go say make I kneel down. Call it down for her. And the case.
For me, come they wonder say, not be only me did that crass, not be only me did that praise where they talk noise.
You know that become the plan. I say if we close today, by the time we don't reach that back of Ubalaba.
For that praise?
That praise. Near that praise when for a proc man go. I say I go wait for there, I go wait for the teacher for there. I go just straight. Now one blow I go get for mouth. I go remove his teeth from mouth.
If you try, you go just go your papa house. Now papa house you go just go.
Why?
What's happen?
School where because of 1 million they go. You want to go fight? Make it be say I don't see the 1 million.
He go spoil.
I don't go see 1 million now.
Don't they like that woman?
But that teacher he find small.
You hear her?
He find small sharp.
Your eye there.
So he find a bit?
Me. My eye there for that teacher. Wait till I come to see till they go house.
Okay.
Not my eye till they see they go
house.
Wait.
I go use you to show example. Then the teacher now go be the final score. What we bet?
No. That woman. That one reach the wife when I get for house.
You got another one.
That small woman. When there for school, it be like my wife when I get for her.
That thing when I say make you know you talk again, you don't talk again. say na my papa house you see so. The day when I go finally make up my mind go my papa house, you all don't finish.
Praise.
I go school because of 1 million. You want go fight teacher for the school, make them don't give me 1 million.
Praise. No go house.
But that woman, if I small, not be say if I small.
You're right.
No, I will
That until I reach that place. We see as this man don't big rich, I miss go tell him make me in it down. He even frog me for my hand. If not be say condition, he dey close to my age. He go tell as this man big for nothing rich. He tell him say make him kneel down, raise up here and close the eyes.
If not be the 1 million, what you go make me come here? Call the waste my time.
Now condition I make crayfish bend. If the set up with this 1 million, what would they pursue? Who can be you?
You go to use can they frog us every time.
Now so he do that day. He go come. He go say, kneel down. Make I raise up hand.
Close eye.
Make I close my eye. Small time now. She go say now she go call the break cola. For where we they do meeting? For Okoge.
Can you imagine?
Because she be teacher.
My own husband. My own husband. What me I never fit tell my husband may do.
So for God respected human being.
My husband. Go tell and make it kneel down. Close your eye. Raise up your hand. If you like hand, you go just tell me. Too small.
Miss Clara, you don't hear what you then talk. Put him out now, make I know.
Odion, it's frustrating the way some of them are careless about their studies. You will teach them something today. Tomorrow they will pretend as though I didn't teach them anything. So I had to sort a way out to hurt them and cut their pride down so they can pick up. That's it.
I understand your frustration. You be like, I see, well, when you teach somebody something today, tomorrow you expect say make if you to repeat that same thing when you teach them, you go forget. Not be that one.
That's it.
Yes. The thing when they inside we say these are men and women. Some of them, if not all of them, the houses when they stay, now them build them, now them get them.
Bam.
Lord.
The women, they don't born children when we say, you know, some senior you. So you know what good make we see they tell those kind of people make them kneel down. You will come begin they flog them. You see all this kind of thing, they fit verse beat you. So I understand. So make that novice.
You go one man. Ramde, this woman, she not get respect. She don't know say respect is or reciprocal.
Reciprocal.
Where mono cannot work, many the respect.
Excuse sir. You know say if not because we like this thing when come our community so and two money can involve 1 million. We don't fair put her for some kind small party now. We just give her one small one. Put devil beans for his chair now. Go sit down tall. Then action. Go start. We go to scratch everywhere. A small thing. We respect you.
No, we work back, Bill.
Me na novice. Me na novice.
You go fit come where we dey do it to me for Kogi. Woman go enter there. If you don't be 1 million for school.
Me na novice. She no go do like that again, You don't do. You don't know what they like. They don't know what you like. That's what we don't do.
Going to school in adulthood. Misbehaving in school like children do. Lawyer, kneel down, hands up, close your eyes. According to this small teacher, see drama, see wahala.
I'm going to be taking people on English language today. Yes.
Yeah, Miss Clara, I noticed you are not looking bright today. Is everything okay, ma?
Everything is fine. Where is Polo? Oh!
Polo? I saw Polo is at the back of the class.
The back of the class? Yes. Okay. I'll be right back. Just wait for me.
Just don't worry, I be not that. Your wa, some fun wa.
Adult scholars. Adult scholars. Adult scholars. Adult scholars.
To the one my heart bleeds for, my dearest Clara, as I pick my golden pen from the packet of love, I want you to know my heart heavy with weight like a bag of cement. It's weight I am happy to carry for the rest of my life. Since I see you first time, my blood is not resting. You enter my eyes and scattered my brain. Every time I look at you, my body shakes like a generator with no fuel. You are too beautiful, and that is the problem I have. You teach me lesson, but you are also my teacher. I want to learn with my life. My heart is burning like firewood, and if you pour water on it, I will not be happy. Your secret admirer, Olo.
What kind of a man arouses a woman and run away?
I didn't run away. You are my teacher, and I have to respect that.
What do you want from me? I am your teacher.
Yes, you are my teacher. You have taught me so well, and I want to live all my life with you, and you will build with me in this community.
I see you have improved in your English.
Thank you. It is because you taught me well.
You're welcome. I'm proud of all of you. But I am exceptionally proud of you because you all are doing well.
Thank you very much.
Anyways, I am going to pray over it. After the prayers, then I'll give you my answer.
Yes. It is work and pray. It is what you do, the work that you pray for. Then you expect a better answer from God. So that is what you and I will do for ourselves, for God to answer. Is that a yes?
Not so fast. But don't worry. I'll not pour water on your burning heart.
Thank you.
Keep it burning for me.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's go to the classroom.
Thank you.
Let's go.
It is my pleasure to welcome the commissioner to our community today. Commissioner, you're welcome.
Thank you. I thank the people of Ebuwa, and I want to especially thank the Ojonwele of this community for keeping the community so clean. In fact, I'm impressed with what I'm seeing. There will be a reward for that. No. I'm just promising you. Where's the letter? Where's the letter? Has I received any letter?
Make them read the letter again, make we hear them again. Huh? No, but this letter they read that day.
Mama mine.
Read them.
Such person go call it tell me please. What the matter?
Take it to the she wrote the letter. What did they happen?
Wait it happen.
Okay, yes. For Miss Any Grant.
First thing you tell them you come for my 1 million. Allah.
Okay. Well, there's no problem. Just be calm. Let's talk. We'll go inside and talk. So, in the first place, who read the letter?
I ain't read that. Give me. Me come read and give the community.
I take responsibilities for my actions. As at the time the letter came, I did not read and understand. Though the whole community, including my friend here, thought I was better.
And now?
When I went through the letter, I discovered I committed an offense. I did wrong. Now that I can read better, understand through the effort of the Ojonwele who hired a teacher to teach us.
You can see what you have caused to the community by misleading everybody. You misled the whole community. Thank you, Ojonwele, for your efforts. Thank you very much. I appreciate your efforts.
Thank you, Commissioner. While I'm happy that we have gains from, the adult education, I really don't know what to tell my people now, because all of them out there, they're expecting 1 million naira grant.
don't know what to tell them. We can still do something. We can still do something. Oh. Yes.
All right. In that case, let's go there before they get rowdy.
The community impressed me.
Oh.
Let us go.
Thank you so much, Commissioner.
Okay. I read the letter, and this was the letter I sent to this community. I think you people misinterpreted gratitude to grant. But anyway, it's a blessing in disguise. You guys should relax. I found out from the Odionwele that you have started adult school.
Exactly.
And I want to applaud you on that. We will not leave you like that. Even the 1 million grants you people were fighting for, this community also won it because it's the cleanest community. And for these students, after you finish your school, the ministry, our ministry, is going to give a grant of 3 million each. So as for the teacher, we also promise you the sum of 5 million naira.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
As for our Odionwele, you are not left out. The work you are doing in this community, for that, you will get a grant of 6 million naira. My uncle. So what I will need from you people, you will give me the statistics, the number of students you have in that school. Or you can easily give me the register. So we can process everything.
Because illiteracy fit to cover you. Now so government letter arrive the community. To read them almost become impossibility. But because Polo, they always blow fake grammar. Now him then give them the letter, make he read it. He read them all. Come at the Maggie, at the salt, baby. That's no trouble start you. Going to school in adulthood. Misbehaving in school like children do. Oh yeah, kneel down, hands up, close your eyes. According to this small teacher, see drama, see wahala, let it palava.
Because of misinformation, with it be blessing in disguise.
According to Polo, government they encourage adult education. Adults will participate, go get 1 million naira. Now him wahala start you. Everybody want participate, see confusion, commotion. Everyone